Hello guys, welcome back. Another week of updates. So for this week, we actually have quite a few things done. First of all, as you can see, the very obvious fixed ceiling right at the entrance. So let me zoom in on that. So it's actually quite obvious, we extended our fixed ceiling to this point. There was initially an exposed area here for the wall, and we just decided to cover the whole thing up. So now it looks very seamless. And of course, we are going to add on some lightings over here so that it will reflect the light outwards, and that creates a better atmosphere for our living room. Moving on to the living room, we also got a fixed ceiling done up for the whole living room area. So this is where the track lightings will be on. They've already installed the system inside. Okay, so we're just missing the main switches, the main bulbs where the LED lights will come in. So I'll show you guys quickly how much of the fixed ceiling we've done up. So it's just a very slight depth. I think it's about 3 to 4 inches. Yeah. I think this week this is the main update. Also for the TV feature wall, they've plastered the wall nicely, so all the holes and cracks have been filled up. And then they'll start building up the feature wall very soon. Let's head on to the bedrooms. So all the exposed walls in the bedroom have also been plastered over. So initially there's a hole here. So we just decided to plaster the whole thing up. Likewise for the master bedroom, our ID has built up this mini headboard thing. So this is where all our lights and switches will be installed very soon. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Hi guys! It's been a while and I've lost track of how much time has passed, but today we're finally done with all the vinyl floorings. So it's a very exciting day. Let me just show you guys the current update. So this is our kitchen floor, and then our living area. So now we're just waiting for all the carpentry works to come in, and then once it's arrived, we can start installing all our kitchen appliances like our dishwasher, oven and all that. So at the same time today we're just waiting for some of the appliances to be delivered to us today. We just had lunch, so this is our makeshift table with our oven, our kitchen hob and hood. Okay, moving on to our rooms. Here we have our study area, which is looking very nice. The other room, and then our master bedroom. Yeah. So just really waiting for all the carpentry to be finished and done up so that it can be installed. And then I think we're more or less ready to move in.